In this video, I'm going to show you how to download all of your Snapchat memories at one time. I'll walk you through how to download your memories from the Snapchat app on an iPhone, Android device, or Samsung phone. And if this video ends up helping you out, please consider liking it and subscribing to the channel because that really supports me. So downloading and backing up your Snapchat memories is pretty easy. The first thing you want to do is open the Snapchat app. After that, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Once you're on your profile page, select the settings gear in the top right corner. Inside the settings, scroll down slightly until you see App and Privacy, then tap on My Privacy and Data. From there, choose My Data. Snapchat will then load the data that's available for download. All you need to do here is locate Export Your Memories. If you only want to download your Snapchat memories, you can select Request Only Memories. However, you also have the option to download other data like your chat history, spotlights, and more. For this example, I'm going to choose Request Only Memories, then tap Next. Next, select the time range for the memories you want to download. If you want everything, just choose All Time. Scroll down and confirm that the email address listed is correct, because Snapchat will send you a download link to that email. Once that's done, go ahead and tap Submit. You'll see a message letting you know that your export is in progress and that Snapchat is creating a downloadable file. At this point, all you need to do is wait for the email. You can also return to the My Data section in Settings, where it will show that an export is currently in progress. When it's ready, you can select it and download your memories directly from there. And that's how you download all of your Snapchat memories at once. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel.